The government of Lake State said it will start prosecuting officials embezzling public funds as Governor Riiny Tueny accused some unnamed education officials of corruption. Speaking during the General Education Review Conference at the state capital, Rumbek on Friday, the military governor lamented what he called stealing of public money, saying the act was killing the country. When contacted for comment, Lake State Information Minister William Koji said the government will hold corrupt officials accountable for any misuse of public funds in the respective institutions. Wherever you do wrong, you must be held accountable. You will not be allowed to go free and remain at large with what belong to others in your hands. Your pockets are in the account. It will not be allowed, Koji told iRadio. During his speech at the education conference, Governor Riiny Tueny said some education officials steal finance meant for the sector without giving details about the scandal. However, government spokesperson Koji said time has come for the government to end the vice. This is the beginning everything and I wish it happens all over the country because this country should not be subjected corruption, he said while speaking to iRadio on phone from Lake's capital, Rumbek. Corruption is one of the things taking us back. And of course it's our role as citizens and leaders to make sure whoever goes wrong is held accountable, Koji added. A 2021 index by Transparency International ranked South Sudan at 180 out of 180 countries as the most corrupt country in the world. The statistics on 180 countries and territories around the world was based on their perceived levels of public sector corruption. In November last year, President Salva Kiir's former press secretary Atani Wek Atani said the government is unable to prosecute corrupt officials for fear of rebellion. The statement came days after President Salva Kiir accused some of his former senior officials of siphoning off the country's resources. The officials that were never named have opened personal bank accounts outside the country and have built skyscrapers and luxurious apartment complexes with money from the state coffers, according to Kiir's office.